the real estate lawyer can't really do anything until you've actually provided their information to your realtor and to your mortgage broker. What's up guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Denny, and in this video we're going to be explaining what exactly happens once you've given your lawyer's information to your bank and to your realtor, and what to expect once your lawyer has those documents in hand. Real estate lawyer needs 2 items before they can do anything. They're going to need one, which is called the conveyancing documents from your real estate agent's brokerage. It's going to be the purchase contract and any sort of additional addendums that you've signed with the seller. It's going to have instructions, a cover letter page that's going to show a breakdown of the realtor's commissions, the property itself that's going to be transferred, and also the possession date. And on this side, your mortgage broker and your lender is going to send financing documents that is going to have to get signed by you. Once the real estate conveyancing documents and the mortgage documents comes to the lawyer's office, that's when the real estate lawyer does their job. The lawyer is going to review the purchase contract and any additional addendums. So any sort of special conditions, any sort of writing that you and the seller have agreed to within the contract. Second is that they're going to pull up the land title or the deed certificate, and they're going to ensure and make sure that there's no outstanding matters that needs to get resolved prior to the closing date. So they're going to make sure that specific items such as the seller's mortgage or any other financial encumbrances has to be removed off title, because as the buyer, you don't want those items. Those items have to get removed, or the seller's lawyer has to provide what's called an undertaking, meaning that the seller's lawyer agrees to remove those items and to provide a clear certificate of title to you, the buyer. Third, the lawyer is going to pull the tax certificate from the city. They're going to ensure and make sure what is the taxes for this year and review if there's any sort of outstanding balances, any arrears in relationship to the property. If there is any outstanding balances or money owed to the city, then the lawyer is going to contact the other party and say, hey, seller's lawyer, you're going to have to provide me an undertaking to pay the outstanding balance and arrears off in full. When it comes to the taxes, we're going to have to do a tax adjustment. How taxes work is it's a calendar year from January 1st all the way to December 31st. But if you purchase the property in May, you're not responsible for the taxes from January 1st all the way up until the day of closing. That's the responsibility of the seller. So they're going to have to credit you as the buyer for those months and days that they've owned the property, at which point in time that credit is going to be a reduction from the purchase price, and then you'll clear the full amount. And from there, you as the buyer is going to be responsible for the taxes of that year. You're going to be drafting the land transfer document showing that the seller is transferring the property over to the buyer. They're going to be drafting financial documents. That's a requirement, and that's provided in the instructions from your lender. That's going to require your signature. Once those documents are signed, there's going to be a signing date. What's going to happen is that the law firm contact you. They're going to schedule a meeting with you, at which point in time you're going to be providing proof of identification and have you sign all those documents. Once those documents are signed, those purchase documents, those lender documents will get resubmitted to your lender for review. And once the review has been completed, they're going to provide notice to your lawyer that they are going to fund the deal on the possession date. The purchaser's lawyer is going to pull another land title certificate on the day of before they send over the funds. The reason why they're going to pull another land title certificate is just to make sure there isn't any mysterious or new registrations that potentially could have popped up from the time that they've pulled the document previously to now, just to make sure and double check. Once the lawyer has reviewed that land title document and is good to go with transferring funds, they're going to send those funds over to the seller's lawyer and request that the keys will be released to the buyers. From there, your realtor is going to give you a call and congratulate you, saying they have the keys to the property and they're going to meet you, and you guys are going to take nice fancy pictures in your new house. If you're the seller's lawyer is going to pay off any outstanding mortgages that might be on that property, and then they'll cut you a check or direct deposit those funds to your account as the seller. And those are the duties that a real estate lawyer does. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up or comment below. If you like this video and you want to know more about real estate, I have a playlist of real estate videos, and these videos are here to make it a lot easier for you. Your professionals got your back. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye now.